Now, I've been testing out the Luna Ring for the last few weeks and moving between all sorts of wearables like smart rings, sports watches and smartwatches means all of my health and wellness data is scattered across different ecosystems. But one interesting feature that I've found within the new Luna Ring is its integration with Google Fit, meaning all of my runs and workouts can now be synchronized and saved in just one place. And in this video, I'll show you how to sync all of your health and wellness data from the Luna Ring app to Google Fit. Now to do this, first open up the Luna Ring app on your phone and head over to the menu by pressing these three lines in the top left corner. Then press Settings at the bottom and then Google Fit under Data Sharing. Now here you'll see some information on what this connection between Google Fit and Luna Ring does. And once you've read all of this information, press Connect. You can then pick the Google account with which you want to sync your Luna Ring data. And once you've picked the right account, you'll then be shown a few more options to sync from the Luna Ring app to Google Fit. So things like your sleep data, heart rate data, body measurements, activity data, and so on. I personally just keep all of this checked and then press Continue. And now you'll see all of these metrics that are being synced from the Luna Ring app to Google Fit. And you still have the ability to turn some of these on or off. Say you didn't want your sleep data to be synchronized with Google Fit. Now, to verify this connection, head over to the Google Fit app and then to your profile in the bottom right corner. Then manage connected apps. Here you should see the Luna Ring app amongst other apps that are connected to your Google account. Now to disconnect Google Fit from the Luna Ring app for whatever reason, head back into the Luna Ring app, then Menu, Settings, Google Fit, and then turn this top right corner button off, and that will now stop syncing all of your Luna Ring activity to Google Fit. So that's how you can sync your Luna Ring with Google Fit. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you press that like button and don't be shy from pressing that subscribe button, especially if you don't want to miss on my deep dive into the data coming out from smart rings and other wearables. See you in the next one.